In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a newsletter on Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are created and managed. In the Campaigns area, go to the top right corner and click on Create. The page will reload and you'll see different campaign types listed on the left, such as email, automations, and landing page. For this tutorial, choose email. When you click email, it will expand and show three options: regular, plain text, and template. We're going to choose regular, which is the standard newsletter format. On the right side, you'll be asked to enter an internal name for your email. This is just for your reference, so pick something descriptive, like monthly newsletter, May. Then click begin and wait for the page to load. A pop-up will appear with different ways to start your design. You can choose from save templates, fully designed options, basic layouts, start from scratch, use your own HTML, or reuse a recent email. For now, select basic layout. The page will reload and show you a set of simple layout templates. Take a moment to browse through them and pick one that fits your content structure. When you've found one you like, hover over it and click apply. The editor will open with that layout ready to customize. Inside the editor, your template appears on the right, and the editing tools are on the left. On the left panel, you'll see blocks like text, images, buttons, and more. You can drag and drop these blocks directly onto your template to build out your newsletter. You'll also see sections for columns and pre-built layouts if you want a more complex design. At the top of the left panel, click on Styles to adjust the overall look of your email. Here you can customize things like the background color, default text styles, link colors, button designs, dividers, images, and logo settings. This helps you match your newsletter to your brand. To edit any existing block in the template, simply click on it. A properties panel will open on the left with tabs such as content, styles, visibility, or code, depending on the block type. Use these tabs to change text, swap images, adjust spacing, and control how the block appears. On the selected block in the preview, you'll notice small icons that let you move, duplicate, or delete that block, which is helpful for rearranging your layout quickly. Once you're happy with the design and content, go to the top right and click Save and Exit. Wait for the page to reload. You'll now see a summary screen for your email campaign. Here you'll review and finalize key settings. In the To section, choose the audience or segment you want to send the newsletter to. You can also specify who not to send it to, and there's an option to personalize the recipient field, which is useful if you want to include your subscriber's name. Next, check the From section. Make sure the sender name and email address are what you want your subscribers to see in their inbox. Then move to the Subject section. Enter a clear and engaging subject line and add preview text if you'd like a short summary to appear next to the subject in the inbox. Both of these can have a big impact on your open rates, so take a moment to make them compelling but honest. After that, look at the Send Time section. You can choose to schedule the email for a specific date and time, or you can send it immediately. Scheduling can be useful if you know when your audience is most active. Finally, review the content section to confirm that your design and text are correct. Anytime you adjust one of these sections, remember to click Save within that accordion before collapsing it, so your changes aren't lost. When everything looks good and you're ready to go, click Send in the top right corner. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you're certain about sending. Click Send now to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully created, designed, and sent a newsletter using Mailchimp.